Start. We want to know the real objective, separating audit from accounts or accounts from audit, and come out with an ordinance and come up to the house with something which has been accomplished as it were, and then say you please give your formal assent to it, and so on. Stop. Sir, we object to it on principle. Stop. Rushing through measures such as this is not a correct thing to do. Stop. There have been sustained attempts going on to bring down all edifices in the national life of our country, even in the governmental functioning of the country. Stop. We are objecting to this on principle. Stop. This is a matter which should have been conceived on proper considerations. Stop. Parliament should have been taken into confidence in much greater detail about its full implications, being the highest body as such. Stop. Of course, this is a technical matter, and I do not feel much competent to speak on the implications of it or how it will ultimately affect us, because what we find is even much more competent people of the category of CAG etc. have not been able to unanimous on this point. Stop. There have been so many views offered. There was reference made to the recommendations of the PAC. Stop. So many riders were there. Stop. The estimate committee had given certain recommendations. Stop. There are the recommendations of the ARC. Stop. The recommendations are subject to so many riders, so many conditions. Stop. All these things should have gone into in depth, and if they had not made up their minds so far, what suddenly happened just now? Question mark.